For the new people out there, if you've been coming, we do this straight off the bat while people are coming into the room. We do our real estate tip of the week. And this tip is getting over the three major fears that people have when it comes to investing in real estate. Tim, we see this all the time with investors. They get nervous. There's a lot of engineers in our city, and we say get analysis paralysis. They're working the numbers. We don't know what type of person you are out there listening, but there are three common fears out there, Tim, and our aim at Calgary Real Estate Investment Forum, and while we do these seminars, is to help people get over these fears.
Yeah, so the number one thing people are always talking about is timing the market. Everyone wants to time the market perfectly, get in low, sell high, or get in low and let the market do its thing, and then they can refinance higher. One thing we found we've been investing since early 2000, you can't time the market. You get in when it's high, you get in when it's low. It doesn't really matter. What you got to do is stay in the market. Some of our properties have done great because we've been in the market for a long time. We go through the ups and the downs, and it's the time in the market that makes you the money.
Yeah, and people out there seem to think sometimes that they've missed the boat. We hear this all the time, and it really comes down to supply and demand. So in Calgary, you guys might be listening from another city, which we get that all the time. But in Calgary, Tim, we're going to go through the market report shortly, but demand is so low right now. It's actually moving downwards as we speak. So supply is so low right now and demand is so high. So if that's happening, timing the market, you just have to understand the economics of what's going on in your city and then understand if it's going to keep trending upwards.
Yeah, so the number two thing is buying the wrong property, and it'll cost you money. What you need to do is do your homework before you buy in the first place, so you're buying the right property. And what we do is we help our clients narrow it down so that they may have a choice of 2 or 3 to buy from, but they buy the right one that's going to cash flow from day one. That's the number one thing that people get frustrated about, is they buy these rental properties and they're $300-400 in the negative every month, and that's really, really frustrating.
Yeah, you want to make sure it's cash flowing from day one. As soon as you have to take money out of your back pocket, your days as an investor is limited. And you want to find a property, Tim, that's not going to run you into any problems with maintenance and updating. We're always trying to, and if you do find a property that needs updating, you have to tackle that straight off the bat with mortgage plus improvements or doing the BRRRR strategy. There's different ways around that, so you keep your money in your pocket, and that will help you buy more properties.
Okay, third fear is having tenants from hell. I'm sure everybody who's got rental property, whether you're online or here, if you have rental properties, you've had problem tenants from time to time. What we do is we run everybody through our landlord training course. And basically we teach you from getting that first tenant, screening them right, putting in the ads, taking care of them while they're there, and making them look after your property. So even though they might be, people that are different than yourselves, they do treat the property right, and that's what you want them to do.
Yeah, for sure. And we even go out of our way to help our clients select the right tenants. So if you're new to us, we help you take those fears away, and hopefully you take action. And being around like-minded people definitely helps you move forward. That's our tip of the week. If you've missed our tips before, join Crew TV for free, and you will see all the other tips out there that could save you lots of money.
Awesome.